Hi guys, Tony here from IK Autos. Today I'm going to show you how to fit a pollen filter on a Skoda Superb. This is a new shape Superb. So first you open the glove box, and then up in here there's two wee tabs. There's one on this side and there's one on this side. If you push up and pull down at the same time on the glove box, you'll be able to pull the glove box out. Okay. Now up in here you'll see your main fuse box inside the car, and to this side you'll see the pollen filter. Now there's three tabs, 1, 2 and 3. Pull down on these tabs and ease them out. Okay, each one individually, and then the third one, that will fall back and it lifts up. Out of the road, and then you'll see the pollen filter in here. Just pull that back towards you. Okay, and just take a wee note, it is fitted with the arrow facing down due to airflow. Just for anybody, that's the filter number for this one, genuine. Okay, so when you go to fit it, make sure your arrow there is pointing down the way, and then just slide it up into place. Okay, again, there's your arrow. Then relocate this. Push it down on those tabs and then click it back into position. Okay, and then the glove box, all you have to do is this wee the damper, just make sure you line that up and then slide it into place. You'll hear a click and just push the glove box back into position. The two tabs are in. That's you done. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.